Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Not only is the 2025 Hyundai Tucson a chic-looking choice among compact SUVs, it's also a practical one, with a more spacious cabin and cargo area than many rivals. A 187 HP four-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive are standard, and all-wheel drive is optional. Acceleration is leisurely, but the Tucson delivers a comfortable ride. A 187 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder is standard and comes with an 8-speed automatic and either front or all-wheel drive. The Tucson offers nothing more than adequate pep for both city driving and highway passing maneuvers, so lead-footed drivers will yearn for more power. While the Tucson is no sports car, its handling is confident, its steering is reasonably crisp, and its ride is agreeable. ATR Test Track, our all-wheel drive limited test vehicle, made it to 60 mph in a leisurely 8.8 seconds. The more powerful hybrid and plug-in hybrid models reviewed separately both feel quicker, but don't expect Toyota RAV4 prime-level acceleration from either of them. The EPA estimates that the Tucson should deliver as high as 25 mpg city and 32 mpg highway with front-wheel drive on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, though a Tucson XRT delivered a disappointing 26 mpg. The Tucson sports a simple but modern dashboard design with a digital gauge display, a column-mounted shifter, and a separate control panel for the climate control system with actual buttons. Hyundai's flagship Palisade SUV and the brand's recently redesigned Sonata and Elantra sedans have served as a watershed moment for the company's interior designs, and the Tucson continues the trend with a thoughtfully arranged interior filled with quality materials and luxury features. For 2025, the Tucson receives an upgraded optional infotainment system that consists of 2 digital screens in one monolithic housing that stretches most of the width of the dashboard. One screen houses the digital gauges, while the other offers access to the Tucson's radio, navigation, vehicle settings, and more. This new setup, however, is only standard on N-Line and limited models and optional on the cell. All other trims come with a single 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and a bank of analog gauges. The Tucson receives a styling refresh for 2025, its 4th year on the market, that includes updates to its grille, bumpers, and wheels. Inside, the Tucson's old optional infotainment setup has been swapped for a new one that includes 2 displays, one for infotainment, the other for gauges, sharing a singular rectangular housing on the dashboard. Entry-level models get a single 12.3-inch touchscreen and analog gauges. The price of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson at $29,750 and goes up to $39,690, depending on the trim and options. We'd go with the mid-level cell trim, which includes desirable equipment such as a power liftgate, a power driver's seat, heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.